Hello everyone, I am Prashanjit Nundi. Welcome to my channel. In the previous video, I have discussed how to find square of some special numbers where the last digit is 5 or the number is nearest to base numbers. Those are the ways to find square of some numbers. Those are the special numbers. But here I will describe how to find square of any numbers using a method. The method is known as duplex method. So by using duplex method we can find any type of square, whether it is a special number or not, that doesn't matter. We can find any type of square numbers using duplex method. So first we have to know what is duplex method, how to find duplex of certain numbers. So at first I will show you how to find duplex of certain numbers. For example, there is a number A. A is a single digit number, then the duplex of the number will be A square. So this is the way to find duplex of a one digit number. Now what will be the duplex of AB? If it is a two digit number, then the duplex of AB will be 2AB, that is product of AB is multiplied by 2. This will be the duplex of a two digit number. Now what will be the duplex of ABC? Duplex of ABC will be 2AC plus B square. What will be duplex of ABCD? That will be 2AD plus 2BC. So here we can see there is a pattern. What is the pattern? If it is a single digit number, then the duplex of the number will be A square. If it is a two digit number, then the duplex will be product of the numbers multiplied it by 2. If it is a three digit number, then the duplex will be product of the extremes multiplied by 2 plus square of the middle number, that is B square. And if it is a four digit number, then the duplex will be product of the extremes multiplied by 2, then adding with product of middle two terms multiplied by 2. Again this process will go on. This is the way to find duplex of certain numbers. So what will be the duplex? Suppose for example, what will be the duplex of 2? So it is a one digit number, so duplex of 2 will be 2 square, that is 4. Now what will be the duplex of 24? The duplex of 24 will be, this is a two digit number, then the duplex of that number will be 2 into 4 multiplied by 2, that is 16. What will be duplex of something like 102? That will be product of extremes 1 into 2 multiplied by 2 plus square of the middle term. The square of the middle term is 0 square. So that will be 4 plus 0, that is 4. So this is the way to find duplex of a certain number. We will use this method to find square of any general numbers. We can use this method to find any type of numbers, to find square of any type of numbers. So how to find a square of a number using duplex method? So suppose there is a two digit number AB. So how to find square of that number using duplex method? So this is the way. So since it is a two digit number, then the square will be duplex of A slash duplex of AB slash duplex of B. This is the way to find duplex of a two digit number. For example, what will be the square of 12? 12 square. It is a two digit number. So duplex of that will be duplex of 1 slash duplex of 1 2 slash duplex of 2. So what will be duplex of 1? Duplex of 1, that is a one digit number. So duplex of 1 will be 1 square. Duplex of 1 and 2, that is 1 2 will be 1 into 2 multiplied by 2, and duplex of 2 will be 2 square. So 1 slash 4 slash 4, that is 144. 144 is a square of 12. So we all know the square of 12. I am using this example so that we can verify the result. So we know 12 square is 144. and by duplex method it is also 144. It is very easy way to find square of a number. Okay, suppose for example again, if we need to find square of 34, then how to find square of 34? We can use very quickly if you practice many times. So what will be the square of 34? Then we have to find duplex of 3, duplex of 3 4 and duplex of 4. Then what will be the duplex of 3? That will be 3 square slash what will be duplex of 3 4? That will be 3 into 4 into 2 slash what will be duplex of 4? That will be 4 square. So that is 9 slash 4 3 is a 12, 12 2 is a 24 slash 16. Now how to write the result? We will start from left to right. So here the first digit we will write is 6. Now 1 will be carry here. So the number is 25. So we will write 5. Now again 2 will be carry here. So here the answer will be 9 plus 2 11. So 34 square is 1156. Those are the very easy way to calculate square of certain numbers. Again, what will be, suppose for example, what will be the square of 31? What will be the square of 31? So I will do it fast so that you can assume how quickly we can find the square of number using duplex method. So here duplex of 3 will be 9 slash duplex of 3 1 will be 3 into 1 into 2, that is 6, and duplex of 1 is 1, so that is 961. So 31 square is 961. So we can see that this is very easy way to find square of certain numbers, any type of numbers. The formula may seems like clumsy, difficult, but it is a very easy formula to remember because there is a pattern. We can see a pattern here to find a duplex of certain numbers, and here is also a pattern to find square of a number by using duplex method. So what will be the duplex of a 3-digit number? Sorry, what will be the square of a 3-digit number? Suppose ABC is a 3-digit number. Then what will be the duplex? What will be the square of this type of numbers? Then how to use duplex here? Then the square of the number will be d of a slash then d of AB slash d of ABC slash d of BC slash d of C. We can see there is a pattern. So the pattern is start with A, then AB, then ABC. After completing A, we'll start with B, BC, that is start with B, BC, and then C. This is the way to find square of certain numbers. So again, what will be the square of A, B, C, D? That will be duplex of A slash duplex of A, B, C slash duplex of A, B, C, D slash duplex of B, C, D slash duplex of C, D slash duplex of D. The formula may seems to be large or big, but it is a very easy way to calculate square of any type of numbers. It may seem large, but it is very easy way. You can find a square of certain numbers very easily using this method. So now we'll show how to find square of suppose 121 square. What will be 121 square? So the process is duplex of 1. You doesn't need to remember the formula. You have to remember the procedure or the pattern to find the square using duplex method. So here the pattern is as follows. We have to find duplex of 1, then duplex of 1 2, then duplex of, suppose take 1 2 3 square, because if you take different digits it will be helpful for you to see how it is changing. So take 1 2 3 square. So duplex of that will be 1 duplex of 1 slash duplex of 1 2 slash duplex of 1 2 3 slash duplex of 2 3 slash duplex of 3. Now what will be duplex of 1? That will be 1 square slash what will be duplex of 1 2? That will be 2 into 1 into 2 slash what will be duplex of 1 2 3? That will be 2 into 1 into 3 plus 2 square plus duplex of 2 3 will be 2 into 3 slash duplex of 3 will be 3 square. So that will become 1 slash 4 slash 6 plus 4 10 slash 4 3s are 12 slash 9. So now we'll write the result. We have to write the result from left to right. So the first left number will be 9, then 2, here 1 will be carried here, that will be plus 1, then 10 plus 1 will be 11, so 1. Now again 1 will be carried here, so 4 plus 1 will be 5, now 1. So this is the answer of 1 2 3 square. 1 2 3 square is 15129. This is the square of 123. So this is the way we can find square of any type of numbers, any numbers containing 2 digit, 3 digit or 4 digit or more than 4 digit. This is a very easy way. The formula may seems larger or bigger, but it is very easy way and the answer will be correct. Again, suppose I need to find the square of, suppose I need to find the square of 547 square. Then apply the process to find the square of 547. Now I will do it easily. Suppose here 547 square I need to find. Now I need to find duplex of 5. So duplex of 5 is 25 slash, again you have to find duplex of 54. What will be duplex of 54? Duplex of 54 will be 2 into 5 into 4, that is 40 slash, again I need to find duplex of 547. So duplex of 547 will be, what will be the duplex of 547? I have to multiply 5 into 7 into 2, that is 70 plus 4 square, that is 16 slash. Now I have to find the duplex of 47. What will be the duplex of 47? 7 4s are 28, 28 into 2 56 slash, what will be the duplex of 7? That will be 7 square 49. Now write from left to right. So first digit will be 9 from the left, then 4 will be carried here, so 56 plus 4, that will be 60, so 0 and 6 will be carried here. So here you can see 70 plus 16 is 86, 86 plus 6 is 92, so 2, 9 will be carried here, so 40 plus 9 will be 49 and 4 will be carried here, that will be 29. So 299209 is a square of 547. So you can see that it is a very easy way and the answer will be correct. So if you need to find square of certain numbers and you don't know the formulas or any special formulas, then you can apply duplex method to any number. For example, take the special number suppose 35 square. So in the previous video we have discussed how to find square of such type of special numbers where the last digit is 5. So in the previous video we have discussed that the square of 35 will be 3 into 4 comma 5 square 25, that is 1225. This is the square of 35. If you don't remember the formulas, the special formulas, we can apply duplex method to find this type of square also. So verify the result by using duplex method. What will be 35 square? So at first we have to find duplex of 3. The duplex of 3 is 3 square, that is 9. Now duplex of 35. Duplex of 35 is 5 into 3 15, 15 into 2 30 slash duplex of 5 is 25. So how to write it? Write it from left. So from left, the first digit will be 5, then 2 will be carried here, that will be 32. So 2, now 3 will be carried here, so 9 plus 3 will be 12. 1225, that is 1225 is the square of 35. So we can verify the result. So if you don't want to remember any formulas for square numbers, then we can use duplex method to find square of any certain numbers. You can try to find square of those numbers like 124 square, number 2 546 square, number 3 1025 square, using duplex method. Try to find the using duplex method the square of this type of numbers. So this is the way we can find the square of any type of numbers. If we don't know the formulas, we can use the duplex method, and the method is very easy to find those type of square. So try these 3 sums at home, so that you can and practice it more, so that the duplex may become very easy for you. So that's all in this video. In the next video we'll discuss another method to find different type of calculations easily.